I'm Dr. Divya. Here I'm teaching you computer application of pest management. So first uses of the computer application in prediction and forecasting, pest population, pest outbreaks, stages of pest analysis through prediction. So these predictions help in forewarning the growers and farmers to take timely and judicious intervention. Forecasting. Forecasting is the prediction of severity of pest population which can cause economic damage to the crop. Insect forecasting service methods serve to predict the forthcoming infestation level of the pest to find out to the critical stage at which the application of insecticide would afford maximum protection. The forecasting of pest guides the farmer about the timing and biology of insect incident and to eliminate blanket application, reduce pesticide amount and achieve quality result. And the farmer can take to timely action of applying various pest control measures to harvest maximum returns. Types of pest forecasting. So, pest forecasting may be divided into two categories. First, short term forecasting, second, long term forecasting. So, first, short term forecasting, it covers a particular season or one of two successive seasons only and is usually sampled from a particular area within a crop using appropriate sampling technique and the relationship is established between weather data and progress in pest infestations. For example, wheat grain aphid, Cetobion abini, based on multiple regressions. Second, long-term forecasting. So these are based on possible effect of weather on the pest population and cover a large area or by extrapolating from the present population density into future. For example, management strategies for brown plant hopper, Nila parvota lugens, and white-backed plant hopper, Sogetella furcifera. Computer application in agriculture research. So the applications of the computer in agriculture research originally exploited and for the conversion of statistical formula or complex model in digital form for easy and accurate calculation which are found relatively tedious in manual calculations. Recently, remote sensing and geographic information system has played a major and crucial role in agriculture research, especially in the field of field predictions, suitability of water, soil for particular crop, and site-specific resources allocations of agriculture inputs. Remote sensing. So, remote sensing refers to the process of gathering informations about an object at a distance without touching the object itself. Certain phenomena which cannot be seen by human eye can be observed through remote sensing technique. The trees which are affected by disease, insect and an insect pest attack can be detected by remote sensing technique much before human eye see them. In geographical information system is a computer-based information system that can acquire spatial data from a variety of sources and changes the data into useful formats, store the data and retrieve and manipulate the data for analysis. In remote sensing technology has long been used for monitoring insect infestations in field crops. It is based on the principle that the absorbance and the reflectance of plants in response to pest attack changes and these changes are recorded by a device from far away. So the early identifications of damage due to spotted spider mite, for example, Tetanus utricae on greenhouse paper can be obtained by multispectral means. So as it can be spectrally detected in the reflectance of the visible and near infrared region. remote sensing data, database management and computer programming. So in remote sensing technology, database management so has been widely used in pest identification, managing pest monitoring data, population modeling, exploring control strategy, biology of pest and decision support system to take decision for adopting intervention of for pest management in field which are important in IPM. So the database has been developed in the form of CD-ROM, Internet-based decision support system, and expert system. So the National Center for Integrated Pest Management, NCIPM, New Delhi, has developed database management system where the information is available on pest, disease management, nutritional deficiency, and physiological disorder in different crops grown in India. So decision and support system are computer-based information system designed in such a way that they help farmers to select one of the many alternative solutions to a pest problem. In IPM, integrated pest management, decision support systems are widely used for identification, recommendation of insecticide, emergence of insect pest outbreak. The decision support system support adoption of IPM technology to reduce the cost of production and minimizing environmental and public hazard. Decision support system has also developed a NCIPM which provides information on pest management system, forecasting of pest and distributions map. A number of decision support systems have been developed in different countries on different crops. Codling Moth Information Support System site contains various knowledge-based database, phenology model, and links to worldwide sources on codling moth. Spatial disease MedClia was developed in Israel for controlling Mediterranean fruit fly Ceratisis capitata in citrus in 2004. The recommendations of MedClia are generally accepted and reduces the unnecessary spray. So these are the decision support system. For example, etymology on crops, on cotton. So target pest is Helicoperva, and in Australia countries, so functions are predicting future pest numbers. And second example, ProPlant in crop oil seed wrap. Target pest is cabbage stem, flea beetle, and psilocybe, chrysophilia. And that function is predicts the start of pest infestations and provides selection date and rate of chemical application. EXS. So another computer program based on database management is expert system. Yes, so both both DSS decision support system and ES expert system seek to improve the quality of the decision. These are distinguished based on the objectives, operational differences, user and developmental methodology. So the different expert system have been designed which help in identification of insect pest, estimating risk from pest and control measure recommendation. SGA Pro Stored Grain Advisory Pro was developed to provide insect pest management information for wheat stored at commercial elevators. So the program uses a model to predict future risk based on current insect density, grain temperature and moisture. Rice BPH expert system constructed to diagnose and pesticide recommendation for brown plant hopper help in identification of research surveillance and monitoring needs. Information disseminations, the bulletins. So advices and information to the user can be disseminated by using personal contacts, newspaper and magazine, radio and television, televideo, telefax, mail phone, internet and SMS. Through mobile phone also, agro advice KBS system architecture is designed and Syngenta crop protection in UK, growers and agronomists already registered on the Syngenta website will automatically have free access to Brassica alert. We can study on pest and disease study through India Meteorological